Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coraima and I'm a pilot who loves makeup. Today we're going to do this very exciting look. She's pretty difficult, but she's beautiful. She's very complex. So I will talk you guys through this whole process on how to get this look. However, I will be doing a voiceover because I just had to get into my zone. I just had to get in my zone. I've been doing this for like 2 hours, so yeah, let's just get straight to the video where I just jump right into the look. We're gonna dip into this blue shade in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to start by outlining where I'm going to be applying my shadows for this look. Apply this blue shade in the inner corner of your shadow line, and then with a clean brush we want to buff out the edges so that it doesn't have harsh lines. Dipping into a deeper blue, we're going to apply this shade and start our ombre effect, and let's apply it where the arch begins, basically in the middle of your application. Deepen up that blue shade and kind of blend it in between the lighter shade and the outer edges. It's important that you take your time blending, as it'll help you with a better outcome and finished product. To help with the transitioning of the shades, I added the lighter blue on top of the darker blue to help with that blend. Now we're going to start with the deeper blue, so go ahead and apply that on the outer edge of your look. I'm going to drag this blue out past my eyebrow line. As you can see, I'm gonna extend my eyebrow later throughout when I finish the look. Trust me when I say this, we're going to need the help from the cut crease gods. So make sure you have micellar water makeup remover and a Q-tip. Submerge that Q-tip and carefully outline where you want to cut your crease. Then with the cleaner side of the Q-tip, wipe off the residue that's left over on your lid. Now I got a makeup remover wipe with extra micellar water, and I'm going to wipe off any unwanted eyeshadow just to clean up the look. I want a clean slate, sis. Now back with a Q-tip, clean up the edges and complete cutting the crease. Be mindful of making sure it's matching its sister's lid. This is really hard, I know, but it has really big payoff if you're just patient with yourself and, most importantly, believe in yourself. Here I felt like I took off way too much at the end, so I just got my darkest blue shade again, and I just added some more and just cut it again. It's not a problem, it's just makeup. To make a bigger attempt for crisp limes, for crisp lines, get your cut crease brush and concealer and clean up your cut crease. Make sure to apply a little concealer, preparing for the next step. Apply the darkest blue we used earlier and flick the ends for dramatics. You know we love a dramatical look. Repeat the Q-tip method, but make sure to have the blue peek out and make a subtle appearance. Again, clean up with the concealer method. This part is just so satisfying. Look, so sharp, so clean. Who did that? I did that. I'm gonna do this process one more time, but instead use the bright blue instead of the dark blue. For real, last time, finally use the cleaning up methods one more time. And now blend the concealer on whatever's free on your lid space. Whip out your Fenty Diamond Balm or whatever glitter or shimmers you got going on and apply on that free lid space. And I'll be back with a full face in 3, 2, 1. And that's the finished look. So, what did we learn? Prepare to eat before doing this because I'm hungry as hell. But yeah, patience is key to get a good product, and I've never done a graphic cut crease before or complex cut crease before, so I'm really happy and proud of myself. So if you guys want to see more complex looks like this, then comment down below on what kind of looks. Yeah, you guys know the drill. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and tell your friends and your mama's friends who your favorite fly girl is. Peace!
The rabbit on the moon is pounding rice cakes.